French ship owner 556. We see how French ship owners try to push the French flag in front of how other countries see it's falling under the Pacific Marianas, which is it 8,000 kilometers? Sorry, 8,000 meters below the sea, the deepest. That Spanish flag is going under, many other European flags, the same issue. Whilst we could employ 4 million seafarers direct and then 40 indirect in France. But if we want to start this, we need to have our friends in Spain. Hola, bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien la France? Oui, ici il y a l'Espagne, il y a beaucoup d'équipages espagnol, officiel, subalternos, ratings, yes. And we know the English language is a must, so we are making things a little bit more complicated. Of course, if we did put French language, it would be much more complicated. But the question is, how we can make it easy? Well, contact us, because if you have an LPG, LNG, French flag, or ROPAX, RORO, il y a beaucoup d'équipages en Espagne. There are plenty seafarers here in Spain, and we can really help you. Why? Because France and Spain, even though we have the Pyrenees, will be united perpetually. So we can really take advantage, be positive. We know that many flags will fall because of bureaucracy. Contact us and let's get together, because we can really have very good solutions. Many don't know that the Latino catering is excellent. Many don't know that Moroccan officers, Algiers officers are excellent, parle français aussi. They are from ROPAX, container fleets. Many don't know many solutions that we do know because we are accustomed to those. Yes, so let's wipe these Pyrenees, and as always, here in Bilbao, the Basques have the solutions throughout history. It was always passing via the Pyrenees since Carlomagno, but then today we can really help you grow the French flag, because we believe strongly that it can be done. Although you need us again, yes, why not realizing that there is 14,000 officers in Spain and many ratings eager to get jobs, and that one day perhaps European Union will look to the face of the intrinsic value of merchant marine jobs, which is 4 million. One day. Meanwhile, contact Candina, because we can really select very good officers. There is plenty LNG, Spanish flag ships that are flagging out or firing the Spanish officers. We could say something like six LNG ships to start. Some of those could be overlapped, could be trained towards LPG. How many? Another 6. So 12. 6 LNG, 6 LPG, c'est un bon commence for our relationship. Merci, au revoir.